ماشي. Hi and welcome back to my channel. It's a beautiful day out to conjugate some Egyptian Arabic verbs in the past tense. I've already conjugated verbs in the present and the future. So if you haven't seen that already, check the links in the description below. Beginners, what am I gonna do with you? So the verb I'm using for this video is zakir. And zakir means to study. It's the type of study that you do when your mother tells you to go to your room and study. It doesn't mean to study a field in a university, for example. In Arabic, the root or the infinitive usually has 3 letters. And how it works is that we add letters before or after to change the conjugations. For example, a very common verb is akal, which means eat. And if I want to say that I eat, if you've seen the video about the present, we add b, so it becomes bakul. And if I want to say that I ate, in the past we add t at the end. We remove b and we add t, so it becomes akalt. But some people say kalt without a. So, ana zakert. Inta, you male. Zakert. It's the same as ana. Inti, zakirti. So it's the same, and then we say e at the end. Inti zakirti. And then intu, zakirtu. So the easy way for you to remember this is from the endings of the pronouns. Inti, and then zakirti. Intu, and then zakirtu. It's two. The same endings. Howa, he. Howa zakir. Usually with Howa we don't add anything. And hiya, she. Zakrit, and then ihna zakirna. So it's also the same ending. Ihna zakirna. Humma, they. Humma zakru. So now let's take some examples. Inta zakert imbarah. I said this sentence as a statement, but if I want to ask you a question, it's the exact same sentence with a different tone, with a questioning tone. Inta zakert imbarah. Inta zakert imbarah. Inta zakert imbarah. To sound more native, you can say Howa at the beginning. I have a video about Howa at the beginning with questions. You should check the link in the description below. هو أنت ذاكرت امبارح؟ أنا ذاكرت كتير امبارح. أنا ذاكرت كتير امبارح. أنا ذاكرت كتير امبارح. I studied a lot yesterday. So now I would like to show you a small comparison between all 3 tenses, past, present, and future, in front of you so that you can see how everything changes. So basically, the present begins with b plus the infinitive that I spoke about, and some endings for different pronouns. The future is the exact same, but we replace b with h. And the past, there are no beginnings. We just add endings, which is usually t or something else depending on the pronoun. So for example, أنا بذاكر, I study, or I am studying. أنا هذاكر for the future, or أنا ذاكرت for the past. My challenge for you is, how would you say, I will study tomorrow, I studied yesterday, and I study every day? Now this is a small listening practice for you, so get ready. لما كنت صغير كنت دايما بفضل إني أخرج وألعب برا البيت عن إني أقعد في البيت وأذاكر. لكن أنا ذاكرت كتير قوي علشان أدخل الجامعة. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and to join my Instagram page, Egyptian Arabic Mimo, to learn new words and simple phrases every day. Thank you very much for watching my video.